Hi everyone, welcome to HauteMamas. We're doing the draw now for the two-ish palettes. Lip palettes. The two-ish lip palettes. So there will be one winner, two winners, sorry. Each winner will get a palette. So Lisa, I'm going to hold these up.
We're doing it the old-fashioned way. Everybody else is using other things to do it.
Yeah, we do this the old-fashioned way.
And we're just, you know.
Mostly because I'm too lazy to learn how to use it the other way.
I can't feel anything. Okay, here's one. Beach Bomb.
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah. She's one of our loyal friends. That's fantastic. Congratulations,
Yay.
Beach Bomb.
And then we've got Claudette.
Claudette, another one.
Yay!
Two of our
Claudette and Beach Bomb.
Okay, we'll be contacting you regarding that. So congratulations to the two of you.
Yay!
And if you weren't in the winning draw, don't worry. We're going to have lots of draws coming up because we love doing them. Thanks for joining us on HauteMamas. We're available on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook,
other places.
We have a website. There's so many things.
Things everywhere. Just
things. Feel free to subscribe to the channel by pushing the button above Lisa's head and ring the bell if you'd like to get an email when we have a new episode out. Thanks for joining us. Bye.